Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is agriculture chapter, that is from class 10th geography. So see here, geography, class 10th geography. See, what is our chapter name? What chapter? Agriculture. Agriculture. See, in this chapter already we discussed first part. In this first part we have introduction. Second, types of farming. Third one, that is cropping seasons. And it is about part 1. Coming to part 2, that is about major crops. 15 major crops are there. Some are food crops, some are fiber crops, some are oil crops, some are commercial crops. We will discuss one by one. Coming to third part, that is about reforms in agriculture. Is it clear? See, in this agriculture topic, we have part 1, part 2, part 3. For our convenience, I divided it. But these are the 6 subtopics. Already we discussed in the part 1. What we discussed? Introduction. In this introduction, we discussed about what is agriculture, what is the importance of agriculture, types of farming. Already we discussed about the 2 types of farming based on the need. And third subtopic, that is about cropping seasons. Already we discussed there are 3 types of seasons are there. First one, second one, third one. Kharif, Rabi, Zaid. We discussed. So this part is completed. Now today we are going to discuss about the major crops in India, particularly 15 crops. We have to discuss one by one. In these 15 crops, we need to remember 4 things mainly. So these crops comes under Kharif crop, Rabi crop or Zaid crop. And what is the temperature needed for this crop, and also what is the soil needed for this crop, and also what is the rainfall needed for this crop, and also which states are contributing or cultivating mostly. We have to remember these 4 things. Is it clear? I am repeating again. First thing, is it comes under Rabi crop or Kharif crop or Zaid crop? Second, what is the temperature needed? What is the rainfall needed? And also what is the soil it needed? And also what kind of, last one, the states which are producing more amount of particular crop. We have to remember 4 points. Is it clear? Okay, now we are going to discuss about major crops in India. See here, there are already we discussed what is that major crops in India. See, first crop, rice. Second, wheat. Third crop, jowar. Fourth one, bajra. Fifth one, ragi. Sixth one, maize. Seventh one, oil seeds. Eighth one, sugar cane. Ninth one, we can write here. Ninth one, what is the ninth one? Sugar. Here we can say pulses. Pulses. And 10th one, tea. 11th one, coffee. 12th one, horticulture crops. Horticulture crops. 13th one, rubber. 14th one, jute. 15th one, cotton. Is it clear? It is about 15 crops. Okay, we will discuss one by one in this class. See here. Now we are going to discuss about 15 crops. You know, in India, we know India is a diverse country. See, what kind of diversity we have? Climatic diversity also there. It is temperate zone. It is a subtropical zone. It is tropical zone. It is subtropical zone. And also we have different soils also. We have different soils. You know, see here, black soil, red soil, and also mountainous soil, desert soil, and alluvial soil. We have different soils also we have. And also third point, see the socio-cultural activities and the types of farming also plays main role. What kind of crops we have to cultivate? See here, already we discussed. We have in India we are following subsistency farming. Subsistency, there are two types. What are those? Primitive as well as intensive. We are following primitive as well as intensive. Intensive is going on inside the country, and also primitive is going on hilly area or mountain area. These are the deciding factors. What kind of crop we can cultivate? These are the three main factors. What is climate, soil, and culture, and what is the purpose of cultivation? Based on that, the major crops also changes. Okay, coming to rice. First, we are going to discuss. Before going to discuss about rice, see. These 7 comes under one category. What are those? Food crops. Food crops. See, India is ultimately it is cultivating only food crops. Food crops. Why? Because see here, already we discussed while discussing about the development of agriculture in India. So we need food to satisfy the growing population. So we have nearly 144 crores of population we have. We need to satisfy that. That's what we are only focusing on the food crops. And in these food crops also there are two types. First one is cereals, and second one is pulses. In these cereals also there are two types. Fine grains and coarse grains. See here, fine grains, there are two fine grains are there, rice and wheat. Coming to coarse grains, there are jowar, bajra, maize. These are the coarse grains. Coarse grains means, see, fine grains means the surface of the seed coat is very smooth. And coming to here, the grain is little bit rough in nature. Based on that, it is divided into two parts. See, first food crops. Again, food crops are divided into cereals and then pulses. See, nearly these fine grains are divided into again two important crops, rice and wheat. Coarse grains, again there are two types. What is that? Jowar, bajra, maize. See, it is clear. Okay, we need to discuss one by one. See, coming to rice, it is about rice. First crop, that is about rice. See, one, rice. See, what is the importance of rice? It is a fine cereal crop, and also it is a staple food for India as well as worldwide also. It is in India we are also producing large amount of rice, but we are occupying second place. First place is occupied by the China, and also in India we have nearly 3,000 varieties of seeds we have, and also it can grow from mean sea level to up to 2,000 meters also. It can grow in different types of varieties, and also it is a kharif crop, and also it is water intensive crop, and it needs minimum temperature from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and also are above 25 degrees temperature at minimum, and also it needs rainfall above 100 centimeters, and it can grow in different soils also. It can grow in different soils, but it gives more yield in alluvial soils and also black cotton soils also. So one more thing, the major cultivating states of rice. See, major cultivating states in India, rice. Eastern states as well as coastal area, and also Haryana, Punjab, these areas. See here, Haryana, Punjab. In Haryana and Punjab, it is a commercial crop. And also it is not a native to Punjab and Haryana. They are started cultivating after 1970, Green Revolution only. In this Green Revolution, these people are started using HYV seeds and what is that? Water through irrigation, and they are using fertilizers, and they are using herbicides, they are using pesticides to protect the crop. Then the yield is very high in this area. Is it clear? So coming to here, the cultivated areas, mostly cultivated states in India. See, Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Maharashtra. These areas are cultivating very high. Coming to these are commercial crops. These people are cultivating rice for the commercial purpose. But thing is that here in Odisha, these people are cultivating rice for subsistency purpose. Subsistency means self-consumption purpose they are cultivating. And one more thing we need to discuss here. See, in these regions, particularly in Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, the region people are cultivating rice crop in 3 times a year. So it has different name, that is As, Aman and Boro. Is it clear? And also where these states are cultivating under irrigation, these states are giving more yield. But the people who are cultivating under rain-fed rain fed, the yield is very, very low. Is it clear? Okay, it is about the rice. Coming to next topic. Next crop. That is about wheat. Wheat. It is second crop. It is second largest crop, second most important crop in India, and also it is the second largest producer in the world after China. And it is a rabi crop. It is a rabi crop. So we sow this rabi crop are we in winter season only. Winter season. What kind of climate it needs? What kind of climate it needs? It needs cool climate while growing season, and while ripening season it needs bright sunshine. Bright sunshine it needs, and also the rainfall it needs nearly 50 centimeters to 75 centimeters rainfall it needs. And the states which are cultivating more crop, see here there are three belts mainly in India for cultivation of wheat crop. See, Indo-Gangetic Plain, second Malwa Plate region, and Himalayan region. See, in this Indo-Gangetic Plain, Punjab, Haryana, the production of this crop is very high. Why? Because they are using high technology and packaged technology, and so the yield is also very high. And coming to Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the cultivation is, the yield is medium. The thing is that, see, in this Malwa region and Himalayan region, these people are cultivating this crop under rain fed. So the yield is very, very low. Is it clear? So in India we are cultivating this crop under irrigation. It is also producing nearly 18% of the world share. But the cultivated land is only in India 14% only. 14%. Is it clear? It is about the wheat. Coming to next crop, that is about jowar. Already we discussed jowar, bajra, ragi, and maize comes under millets. Millets are coarse grains. Already we discussed. What is the importance of these grains? They are having micronutrients, and also they have iron rich, and also calcium rich. So for example, ragi, we can say it is also coarse. It contains micronutrients as well as iron rich and also calcium rich. These are one of the examples. In India, 16.5% of land is under cultivation of millets. See, coming to next, these are the example of bajra, jowar, bajra, ragi, maize. All this comes under millets. Okay, we will discuss one by one. See, coming to jowar. Now we are discussing about the jowar. Third crop, jowar. Jowar is a rain-fed crop. rain fed crop, no need to irrigate it. And second point, it is hard crop. Hard crop, it can resist to the droughts also. It can resist to drought. So we are cultivating these crops in Deccan Plateau area as well as central India and also Western India. Why? Because these are the semi-arid and arid areas and also hot climatic areas. And third one, see, it is the third important crop in India, third important food crop in India, third important food crop. And fourth point, see, nearly it is containing 5.4% of land for irrigation, for cultivation. What are the most cultivated states in Jowar? See, Jowar, Rajasthan area, Rajasthan, Karnataka area, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. These areas are producing more amount of jowar. See, more amount of jowar. See, W, we can say M. M stands for Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. In these areas, they are cultivating very, very well. We have to remember this. Which is the most producing state of jowar, we can remember like this. See, it is a food crop. Sixth point, very good point. It is a food crop for the people who are living in arid and semi-arid area in central and also southern India. It is also a kharif crop. Is it clear? It is about the jowar. Bajra, coming to Bajra, fourth one, Bajra. See, it is also a very important crop. It is also a very important crop in India. It is cultivated in sandy soils and shallow black soils. It is also a hardy crop. It means it is also resistance to drought. We don't need to provide more water. We don't need rain also. Sometimes not frequent showers. Sometimes little bit shower is also enough to grow its crop. So we are also cultivating this land in northwestern and western parts of India. Northwestern and western part of India. Because here we can find dry climates. So and also the states which are producing bajra. See, what are those? See, Rajasthan and also Haryana, Gujarat. Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat. These three states are producing more amount of bajra. And also it is also a kharif crop. If you provide irrigation, it gives more yield. So what happened here? Haryana and Gujarat area, the yield is increasing day by day. Because they are using drought resistance varieties. So the yield is increasing in Haryana and Gujarat. Coming to Rajasthan, in this Rajasthan area, the crop yield is fluctuating year by year. Why? Because based on the rain. It is about the bajra. It is also having importance. What is that? You can remember like this. The highest producing state, Rajasthan, bajra, Rajasthan, you can underline it. Okay, coming to ragi. It is the fifth crop. Ragi. It is it is very famous in Karnataka. Ragi mudda or ragi mudda. Fifth one, ragi. See, already we discussed what is the importance of ragi. It is rich in iron, and also it is rich in calcium, and also micronutrients. Apart from that, the states which are cultivating ragi crop, see Karnataka, Jharkhand, and Sikkim, and Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh. These are the main ragi producing states in India. Coming to most cultivated state is Karnataka. It is a staple food. These people prefer ragi for eating purpose. Is it clear? Okay, now we are going to discuss about maize. What is the importance of maize? Is sixth one. Maize. It is a food crop cum fodder crop. It is also a kharif crop, and it is cultivated in North India. See, particularly in North India, but they are not cultivated throughout the India. They are cultivated, but Punjab and eastern and northeastern state we can't cultivate this maize. And also the production of the maize also, the yield of the maize also very high comparing with other, very high production yield comparing with other millets. In southern India, we cultivate maize for the different purpose. Northern India, these people cultivate these maize for fodder purpose mainly. And what are the major producing states in India? See, major producing states in India, maize. See, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. These areas are most producing maize. So, if you provide irrigation or package technology means we know irrigation, HIV seeds, pesticides, herbicides, and the yield is very high. Yield is very high. But where we are cultivating, sometimes we cultivate in rain-fed. In rain-fed, if we cultivate like Madhya Pradesh, the yield is very low. Very low. We can see this kind of crop in Vindhya Satpura ranges. There we are cultivating in rain-fed, so the yield is very low. Now we are discussing about oil seeds. You know what is oil seeds? Oil seeds, 7th one. Oil seeds. See, these soils are nearly, we are cultivating 12% of land is we are cultivating in India. 12% land is for oil seeds. You know, the thing is that these oils are very useful for the cooking purpose we are using, and also we are using these oils for preparing lubricants, and we are using these oils for preparing cosmetics, and also we are using these oils for preparing ointments. And the thing is, what are the most important oil seeds in India? See, mustard and rapeseed and groundnut and sunflower and linseeds and coconut and castor and cotton and soybean and sesame. These are the important oil producing seeds, and in that also there are nearly four are very important. What are those? Groundnut, and then sunflower, and then mustard, finally soybean. We need to discuss about these things. Groundnut, coming to groundnut, it is in worldwide we are producing, our rank is second after China. Our rank is second after China. You know, it is a kharif crop. It is rain fed. So kharif crop, and also it is rain fed, and also it is producing 18% of the share in the world, and also cultivated land is nearly 3.3% it is having in India. So in the states which are producing high amount of groundnuts. See, groundnuts stands for Gujarat. Gujarat is producing more, and then the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. These states are producing high amount of groundnuts, but the production of the yield of the crop is very high in Tamil Nadu. Why? Because they provide some irrigation for this crop. It is about groundnut. Coming to sunflower. You know, sunflower producing states are in India. Sunflower producing states: Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. That's it. Sunflower producing states. But North India, they don't cultivate sunflower. Coming to mustard and rape seeds. These are kharif crops in northern India. They need irrigation. And also one more point, mustard seeds. There are 4 varieties are there. What are those? Ray, and also Sanson, and also Tyri, and also Theri Mary. These are the different varieties in mustard and rape seeds. So, what are the states? which are cultivating mustard seed mainly. See, same thing, Haryana, Punjab, and northern Rajasthan area. These are the highly producing states of mustard and rapeseeds. Coming to soybean. Soybean is cultivated in 3 states. Soybean, 90% soybean is cultivated in 2 states. What are those? Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. That's it. Okay, coming to second, in this crops we need to discuss about one more topic, that is about, we discuss about soybean, we discuss about groundnut, we discuss mustard, we discuss about rapeseed, we discuss about the 1 2 3 4. So see here, very important topic, that is here rapeseeds. In rapeseed cultivation, India occupying 3rd place. First place Canada, and second place China, 3rd place India. We have to remember this. And one more point, what is that? Sesame. It is cultivated in northern India, in Kharif crop. In southern India, we cultivate in Rabi crop. Coming to mustard, custard. Coming to custard, it is cultivated in both Kharif and Rabi seasons. Coming to lenseeds and mustard, only we cultivate in Rabi. Seasons. Okay, what are the states which are cultivating, the states which are producing more oil seeds? See, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. These areas are producing more amount of oil seeds. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about sugarcane. 8th crop, sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. See, it is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. 66 and half, 23 and half. It is a tropical crop as well as subtropical crop. It can grow in different soils. It can grow in variety of soils, and it needs temperature. What kind of temperature it needs? See here, it needs 21 degrees to 27 degrees temperature it needs, and also it needs what kind of humid climate it needs. And also it is a Kharif crop, and also rain-fed crop. Kharif crop and also rain-fed. We can rain-fed crop or monsoon crop. And it is also plantation crop. Plantation crop. So it is very important for the production of the sugar. It is a source for the sugar, and also it is source for the gur or jaggery, and it is also source for the kandasari, and also it is also source for the molasses. So and also it is playing second rank in the world. How it is producing, after Brazil is producing high amount of sugar. Second rank is occupied by the India. Is it clear? The states which are producing, we need to remember, is the states which are producing high amount of sugar cane. See, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. These states are producing more amount of sugar cane. And also Punjab, Haryana also cultivating sugar cane nowadays. The thing is that West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh itself producing 2/5 of the production. It means nearly above 50% of the production is coming from the Uttar Pradesh. And also comparing with Northern India, Southern India, North India is having high sugar or sucrose. It is about the sugar cane. Okay. Coming to next point. What is that? Pulses. That is the ninth one. Pulses. 9. See. Pulses. Pulses are very important. They are rich in protein. And also it is very important food for the vegetarians who do not eat non-veg. So it is very important. And also what are the main pulses? Major pulses. First one is gram. Second one is tur or arhar or red gram. So what are the other remaining pulses? Peas and green gram, black gram, and pink gram. Okay, green gram comes under moong dal. Black gram comes under urad. Pink gram comes under sar. Masuri. These are the main pulses. And the one more important point, pulses are very important for the soil fertility. How, these plants having root nodules. These root nodules contains bacteria. These bacteria is generally fix the nitrogen as a ammonia. This ammonia is used by plants and they grow and they do their biological activity. It is called symbiosis. So what they are doing, they are fixing in nitrogen. So through the fixing of nitrogen, the fertility also automatically increasing. So it is used for the intercrop or crop rotation method they use. And what are the pulses? What kind of soils it needs? They can grow in different variety of soils, and also they grow in dry soils also. So they grow in inferior soils also. But if you provide more water, they can give more yield. Otherwise, the yield is very low. Coming to the states which are contributing more amount of production. See, Maharashtra, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, we can say, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. These are the highly producing states of pulses. These pulses are occupying nearly 12% of cropping land. And one more point, see here, in the worldwide, we are the best producers of the pulses, and also we are the number one consumers of the pulses. Tea is a tropical crop. It needs a tropical crop. It needs a very pleasant weather, like see, hilly and mountain areas. See what kind of weather they are having. They have fertile soils and also well drained soils. They need well drained as well as fertile soils they need. And also they grow in slopes, hill slopes. See, coming to third point, tea, we consider it as a home of the tea is originated from the northern hills of the China. Black tea. It is prepared by fermentation of the tea leaves. And also for green tea and all these teas, we don't ferment the leaves. And tea is also a plantation crop, and also it is also a commercial crop, and also it is also a capital intensive, and also it is also a labor intensive crop. India is also exporting tea to the world in the sense, but nowadays it is exporting. In olden days, nowadays the exports are coming down. Why? Because the domestic usage is increasing. Domestic usage is increased. It is also one of the reasons. And also second reason is China is giving more best quality product. It is also one of the bad factor for us. And see, tea was introduced in India in 1840 by the Britishers. See, they thought that this climate is very suitable. What is the climate here? What is the climate? See, Brahmaputra region. In this region, Brahmaputra Valley, this region is very suitable for the cultivating crops. They introduced this crop in Assam. Still, Assam producing 52% of the tea. And other neighboring countries, West Bengal also cultivating, in Darjeeling, and Bihar also cultivating, and also Himachal Pradesh also cultivating, Uttarakhand also cultivating, Tripura also cultivating, Andhra Pradesh also cultivating, and Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu also cultivating tea near Nilagiri hills. So it is very good thing, but consumption is increased by the domestic purpose. Wherever you go, wherever which state you see, we can see every state one tea point is there. That much of consumption is increased. Along with tea, we are also consuming milk as well as sugar also. Okay, it is about the tea. What is the leading producer of the tea? See, tea itself saying that Assam is the leading producer. Is it really 52% it is producing? Is it clear? Eleventh crop, that is the very important. 11th crop, that is coffee. India is occupying 7th place, I think. 7th place. First place is Brazil, and then Vietnam, and then Indonesia, and then Colombo, and then Honduras, and then Peru. These are the most producing coffee. You know what? How do we get coffee? From the seeds. We get what the seeds? We collect seeds and we roast it and we ground it and we prepare one beverage that is called coffee. But you know this coffee contains caffeine. It is very helpful for the health also, and it is also a commercial crop. It is also a commercial crop, and it is also a plantation crop, and it is also a labor intensive crop. Okay, next, the states. It is also the states which are producing high amount of coffee. See, this plantation crop introduced by the Britishers in Baba Budan Hills in Karnataka, and then Kerala, and then Tamil Nadu. See, these three states are producing high amount of the coffee. So, but in Andhra Pradesh also, Arku also producing coffee. But the leading producer of coffee is Karnataka. We can remember like this. Karnataka. Leading producer Karnataka. See, in this coffee we have three types of varieties. First variety is Arabica. Second variety is Robusta, and third variety is Liberica. So, but first variety, that is Arabica is the best quality. But India is also producing this Arabica quality, and also we imported this quality from Yemen country. So this is the plantation crop. It is paying 7th place, and also it is a commercial crop, and also plantation crop, and also labor intensive, capital intensive, and it has three varieties of coffee, and the best producing states are Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh, and the leading producer is Karnataka. It is about the coffee. And next one, horticulture crops. It is very important. 12th is horticulture crops. What is horticulture? See, 12th, horticulture. What is horticulture means by the production of vegetables and fruits on commercial base or commercial scale may consider as a horticulture. So in this horticulture we have vegetables as well as fruits. See here in fruits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 10 fruits, important fruits which are cultivating in India. And also coming to vegetables, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vegetables are there. What are these vegetables? You know, India is producing large amount of vegetables and fruits also. It is the second largest producer of the fruits and vegetables after China. See, coming to first one, that is brinjal. Brinjal we are producing very well. And then, okay, brinjal, cauliflower, and cabbage, and peas, and potatoes, onions, and tomatoes. We are producing very high quantity. Coming to fruits, what we are producing states also we have to remember. It is very important for the MCQ point of view also. We are producing banana. The producing states are Kerala, and Mizoram. You have to remember Mizoram and Tamil Nadu. And orange. For orange, where we are producing orange very well. Pune. Nagpur, and then Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji is located in Meghalaya. We have to remember this, Meghalaya. Mangoes famous in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal. And then lychee and Goa. Lychee and Goa, where we are producing Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Lychee and Goa. And then grapes. We are producing grapes in Andhra Pradesh. Very well. Andhra Pradesh. Grapes. And then apples, apricots, walnuts, pears, producing in J&K and Himachal Pradesh is it has demand worldwide. Coming to last one, pineapple. Pineapple is producing in Meghalaya. Okay. Next one, 13 crop, that is rubber. Rubber very well. Every day we are using eraser also, it is made up of rubber. Every day we are using pens, it is made up of rubber. Every day we are using rubbers for money, binding the money. So many purpose we are using for rubber. Where from we collect rubber? Rubber is collecting from latex of the rubber plants. What we do, we collect it and we process. We do some process and then we send to market or industry. In this industry, they prepare rubber in different purposes. Rubber plant is the main. It is also plantation crop. It is also a plantation crop. If we plant once, we can get crops daily. Here daily, and up to 30 years we can get the income. These are comes under plantation crops. Okay, see, it is also plantation crop. Rubber is a equatorial crop, but we can cultivate in tropical and subtropical area if we provide particular conditions, particular climate, in which states or which area we are producing high amount of this rubber. Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Garo Hills of Meghalaya and Andaman Nicobar Islands area we are producing. It is the best raw material for the industries. It is about the rubber. Coming to jute. See 14. Jute and one more thing. What is it? Cotton. These are the fiber crops. Fiber. What are the use of fiber? With the help of fiber, we can prepare clothes, and also we can prepare different types of mats, and we can prepare different types of decorative items also, and we can also prepare ropes. These are and also we can prepare bags. So we have different type of uses. But where from we are getting this fiber? Mainly we are getting fiber from the 4 sources. First one, plant resources. From plant source, we are getting jute and hemp and cotton. Fourth one is from animal. Animal means silkworm. We are getting this silkworm. Cultivation of silkworms on the commercial scale for producing of silk, it is called as a sericulture. Okay, now we are going to discuss about jute and cotton. See, what about jute? Jute is a water intensive crop. See, Jute is a water intensive crop, and it is also a kharif crop, and it is also labor intensive crop. It is also a labor intensive crop. It needs flood plains, flood plains, plains where soil regenerates or reoccurs every time. See, in Ganga area, see Kosi river area, what is that? Every day floods are occurring. So we can see flood plains here. So this soil is very suitable for the cultivation of the jute. So jute is cultivating in Assam, West Bengal as well as Bihar. See, it is Bihar. It is the leading producer of. It is one of the leading producer of jute. With the jute, what we are doing, we can prepare bags, clothes, and gunny bags, and also crafts. We can prepare thread, and also we can prepare ropes. Also, different types of crafts. Also, we can prepare. These are the uses of the jute. And also, see one more thing we need to discuss it. What happened to India in 1947? While bifurcation of India, 1947, the jute cultivated fertile land went to East Bengal or East Pakistan or Bangladesh. So all the cultivated land went into West Bengal. Only industries are in Kolkata and West Bengal. So it is a drawback, very bad thing. Again, it is started its regaining strength. Okay, one more thing we need to discuss it here. So nowadays labor cost is increased. So what happened finally? So other artificial crops, say artificial fibers, these particularly nylon is occupying its place. This is about the jute. Coming to last one, that is about cotton. Cotton is considered as a hometown of or birthplace of India. Cotton, we are considering cotton as a 15th crop. We are considering cotton as a home of India. It is the second largest producer after China. See, through the cotton seed we are producing cotton oil also. See, one more thing, it is a kharif crop. It is growing in particularly in black soils. Where these black soils are located? See, in India, these black soils are located in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and the Deccan Plateau area. So in these areas are very suitable for the cultivation of the cotton. And also see cotton growing areas. See, in southern India, these people are cultivating cotton, and the growth and the yield of the cotton also increasing in southern India. Coming to nowadays. So one more point we need to discuss about the cotton in India. What happened here? See, already we discussed one more thing while discussing about the jute. What happened here? See, cotton cultivated land in 1947 went to Pakistan, that is West Pakistan. But industries are in India. So same thing happened. So for recovery purpose, it takes little bit time, and it is also recovered because of the having black cotton soils. Is it clear? It is about the cotton. And also what are the cotton producing states in India? What are the cotton producing states? See here, cotton producing states. Already we did Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana. These are also producing cotton nowadays. And Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. These states are producing more amount of cotton. We are exporting this cotton, and also we are getting foreign exchange also. Sometimes we are exchanging cotton to the Western countries as well as Japan and also China. We are exporting yarn also to the other countries because of the hinderness of the industries. Okay, we will discuss one more third topic while discussing about the reforms in India. As early as possible, I should upload. Is there any doubts? Please comment in the section. Already I uploaded notes also.